So at the moment it's clean. Yeah, it's clean because I clean it so that it will be ready. So it's a bit of a mess at the moment, but anyway. Right, okay, next. Another shed. Then that one there. This one the side of our house out back. So I'll pulley and plant more plants. The thing is I just hate the weeds. It's always there. And then this one is the back of the house again. This one is the climbing plants. That's a climbing plants. Hello, climbing plants. This one here. Yeah, this is the rubbish. The rubbish. So yeah. So instead of hiring somebody to do the garden, proper garden, but I decide, see that, look, it's all rubbish, needs cleaning though. So see, as you can see, ta-da, that's our back garden. So because it's cold today, it's winter, I don't feel like doing in the garden because I can easily get cold. My hands is, oh my god, it's so cold. It's cold. Right, okay, so that's the view. And then if I face in okay, so this is the usay ngalan ni utlanan di ay utlanan dere. Okay, tanawak. That's the view of our garden. So I'm in the corner. That's the view of our garden. So I was thinking to knock down that shed and then leave the other shed so that we can have a wide space. But I don't know, he probably doesn't want it, or maybe I'll just paint it and make it a beautiful little shed. So yeah. Oh, by the way, this one that's for my birds. Look, that's for my birds hiding place. Yeah, so it's gonna be nice. At the moment it's not really nice looking because it's no flowers yet. So hopefully this summer is gonna be flowers, and I need to plant more beautiful flowers probably next February. So if you're wondering, this is the place that I'm gonna hang out every day because it's quiet. This here, if I want to listen the birds song there, the birds gonna be there while I'm drinking my tea. Yep. And then I've got some food birds that I made. And then see that. So it's not really nice at the moment, but anyway, this one I cut this because this is all rubbish here. Me and Brian did this one here. Yeah, this one. Look, this is all like I just reused it, like instead of throwing it. So yeah, there you go. This one I need to cut this all, but it's hard. We're trying. Look, you see that? We're trying to cut it, but it's just hard if you don't have a proper, like a chainsaw. But anyway, not bad. No. Okay, so that's my DIY garden. Because if you hire somebody, a proper gardener or proper landscaper, oh my god, it's an absolute expensive. So at least I did it on my own, and makes me, it makes me happy now. It's not really stressful garden. Like, before it was a really bushes, a lot of weeds growing up. So now I transform into this. All right, thank you for watching, guys, and I hope